is me again, Dan Tavern, and we are headed back down to the river. I've been riding my bicycle for about 20 minutes now, and we're on the back road there, headed down to the Ouachita River. It's the wetlands on the way to the river. Yeah, it is, Bill. Tell you what, it's pretty cool out here. I'm on that road that goes back to the Bawcomville Recreation Center there. It's pretty cool out here.
Yeah, well, you be careful out there.
Oh yeah, I'm being careful. Dressed for it. I've got 3 layers on, and I brought my hat with me and a pair of gloves, so I'm good to go.
I heard that. Well, I told the guy earlier this morning on the radio, hey, there ain't enough money out there to pay me.
I'm down here standing right beside the river right now, and it looks pretty out there. Whoa, Nelly! Whoa! Big old hill. Man, I can't see good enough to go riding down there. If I wasn't visually impaired, I would. I better just walk down the hill because it's too steep to ride down. Maybe somebody out there can tell me what this is. Somebody taped some bottles together on a stick. See that? I don't know what that is, but it's in between where this runoff pond, not really a pond, but where runoff water collects, kind of, and then it drains off down through here into the river. This is where I did my river fishing video, one of them. I was sitting out there, because the shoreline was way out here at the time, and I had the shade maker up there. It's covered with water now, but the water level is up. It has been raining quite a bit here as of late, so I'm just gonna park down there and just have a seat. But my sitting spot is covered with water now. Well, this is kind of interesting. Look what this tree did. It goes out of the ground here, and it curls around, and it goes right back into the ground. I mean, it is in the ground. I don't know how in the world that happened. But if I was to build a little shelter, I would use this as the ridge pole. That would work pretty good there. You could just run make a lean-to with some pieces of wood, some branches coming out. But, isn't that river pretty out there? It's like foaming, like foam lines out there. It's a little choppy because the wind is blowing pretty hard this morning. I don't know what time it is. 10:41 a.m. and the date January 12th, 2012, and it's probably around 40 degrees maybe. I'm gonna leave my bicycle parked right there in Mother Nature's bike rack, and I'm gonna walk farther back into the woods. He's down there, pretty far down. See what? So, keep going back through the woods. I like walking through the woods. Wind's blowing. Just listen to it. Like the wind makes the trees talk. It's soothing to me. This camera's messing up. This is farther in than I've ever gone. Yeah, I just heard a gunshot to my north. And it wasn't all that far away neither. So I think I'm going to turn around and head back. Head back now. And I was having fun too. Tell you what, walking through the woods like this, it's good exercise, having to step over stuff, wear heavy boots on. It would be cool if you could be here with me. Tell you what, you'd probably like walking through the woods here like this. But I sure do have fun when I do stuff like this. I gotta find my bicycle. I just don't like it when I hear gunshots not too far away. When I heard that, I crouched behind the hill almost like I was back in the army, I tell you what. And there's a steep little hill here. Gotta put the camera down. Alright, all my batteries are about dead, so this may be the last time this may be my last clip. Thanks for joining me on my trip. Appreciate it. Have a nice day, wherever you are.